All right, here's my little print that I did to hold my, it's illegal to have a boat on the water without having a paddle. So a paddle in this small of a boat is going to be very much in the way and be a tripping hazard, and I will probably have enough clutter in the bottom of it to drive me crazy anyway. So what I plan on doing is keeping the oars in the oar lock, because oars are going to get you across the lake. If you break down, it's going to get you home whole lot quicker than a little bitty foot-long paddle that everybody's using for an emergency paddle. So my solution was I printed this bracket to hold it up out of the bottom of the boat, and I use one of these. Let me get it here. One of these little bungees to tie it down with. So you just pull that off, and then you've got your oar ready. Got one over on the other side. Don't have it screwed down yet, but I'll have one on both sides. And I've still got enough room to put my ram ball mounts that I'm printing now, to mount them on here for my lights. I'll have some lights, some pod lights like you put on side by sides. I'll have one on either side of the stern, and I'll have one up on the bow. And I may even put one over here in front of the handle of that oar. So if you want to go frog gigging, you can just point it directly where you want to point it, and gig your frogs right out of the boat. Anyway, thought I'd show you that. That's my solution for having a paddle in the bottom of your boat in your way all the time. With a little 12-foot boat, that's going to be a big space saver.